The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, power windows, fog lights, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, electronic stability control, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.